Hello, folks, and welcome back. On this episode, we're going to install the Stromberg Generator Box on the front of our Casita Travel trailer. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Currently, we have a small box on our tray, and as you can see, we've got plenty of extra space up front and on the sides. So we decided to go to the actual Stromberg box, which takes the whole area and fills it up with a box that we can use for storage. The box is actually designed to hold a generator, so the top lifts up out of the way, which makes it a lot easier to access the items that we're going to store in it. So let's go ahead and install the box on the tray and then show you how we set it up for our usage. First thing you got to do is on your tray, if it's already installed, is remove these two bolts that hold your front brace on your tray, because they're going to actually go through the tray and the box. Go ahead and set your box on top of your tray. You're going to take the 8 bolts that they provide you. They're going to go into these holes that are pre-drilled, pre-set up to go through the box and the tray. Once you put them through, you're going to put a nut and a washer on the back side of it. And you've got 4 of these on each side that you're going to put in. After you have those installed, go ahead and put your 2 bolts back into your front brace and tighten them down so that it's secure. Now that the box is permanently mounted to the trailer, we'll go ahead and set it up for how we do everything. And you'll see here where I've ran the wiring for our solar panel, which we've mounted on the top. You can see how we've got it mounted up there with standard solar panel connectors. And then around on the other side, you'll see where we ran the 12 volts in for our USBs, where we mount our cameras on the trailer for when we're traveling, and where we actually use that to supply power for our cameras. And that pretty much finishes our installation of our box here. We hope this helps you out. This is what it looks like on the inside of our box, where we've got, you can see we've got a power up here. You'll see how we've got everything mounted in here. It fits good. It's easy to get to. You can see there's real easy access for everything. And everything fits good in here. We've actually put more in here than we had in the previous box. And you see we even put a mount over here on the side where we can put all our tools, basic tools that we need. We hope this helps you out. If you've got any questions, drop us a line and we'll be glad to try to answer them. We're going to have this box and the old box on our website so you can decide which way you want to go. And with that being said, we want to tell you we appreciate you watching and thank you very much for your support, and we'll see you in the campground.